Hi friends, it's Paul, mid-October here on a frosty, raw afternoon in New England. I brought you to this field of beautiful wild asters previously, urban oasis. But today I discovered this beautiful pink variety in this field. This is blooming a little later than some of the periwinkle colored ones and the taller purple New England asters. There are several varieties in through here. I believe they're New England, a mix of New England and alpine asters. But this pink one here, this tall, man, this thing's at least 4 feet tall, going on 5 feet tall. Awesome pink flowers, man. And they are actually this one's just coming into flower, whereas some of them are actually going to seed. Hey, you guys, post your comments below if you're into urban oases and beautiful wildflower discoveries right in your own hometown or backyard. And I gotta go catch a bus. We'll see you guys next time.